Welcome back to AmericaTech, where we turn complex tech into clear, simple ideas. In episode 1 of our new series, AI Modeling for Beginners, we're breaking down one of the most talked about concepts in modern technology, machine learning, ML. You've probably heard the term in news, apps, or even your phone's camera settings. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Imagine teaching a child how to recognize an apple. You show them pictures of apples, red ones, green ones, small ones, and after a while, they can spot one instantly, even if it's a different type. That's machine learning in a nutshell. It's how computers learn from examples instead of following rigid rules. ML is one of the foundations on which AI gains knowledge. We shape AI through ML, so it delivers outcomes that truly matter, instead of being told exactly what to do. Once a computer is fed with data, like hundreds or thousands of examples, it learns patterns and gains knowledge from that data. Here's the basic process. 1. Data collection. You feed the system information, numbers, text, or images. 2. Training. The machine uses algorithms to find patterns or relationships. 3. Prediction. Once trained, it can make decisions or predictions when it sees new data. You interact with machine learning every day, even if you don't realize it. Netflix recommends shows based on your viewing habits. Gmail filters out spam. Siri or Alexa understands your voice commands. Credit card companies detect unusual transactions to prevent fraud. Machine learning helps computers adapt and improve over time. It's what allows technology to go beyond automation, enabling systems to learn from new data and refine their output continuously. In business, it's driving innovations in customer personalization, predictive analytics, product recommendations, fraud detection, and even medical diagnosis. Let's recap what we learned today. Machine learning helps computers learn from data, not just rules. It involves data collection, training, and prediction. It powers the technology we use every day. It's the foundation of AI systems like recommendation engines, chatbots, and self-driving cars. This concludes our first episode in this new series. In our next episode, we'll explore supervised versus unsupervised learning, the two main types of machine learning and how they differ. Please like, subscribe, and share with someone curious about AI and ML if this video helped you learn about machine learning. Got questions or want us to explain a specific AI topic? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you in episode 2.